Hello, everybody, and this is a video overview of this check-in assignment, this screencast video check-in assignment. You guys don't get freaked out about this. It's super easy. It's a 1-minute screencast video, which is what I'm doing now. I'm recording my voice talking over what you're seeing on my screen and what I'm doing. And so you're going to do this every week to show two things. Number one, that you are engaging with me so that I can evaluate your work, you're communicating. And number two, so that you guys learn how to do this in your future, because there's going to be a lot more distance learning, distance communication going on. And screencasts are one way to get the message across to people that you work with. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go ahead and find some Screencast tool. I'm telling you right now, the best one out there, it's totally free, screencastify.com. It works on all of your Chromebooks. Just follow this link, install the browser extension. It'll work just fine. Make sure that you use your school email account. Then you need to make a 1-minute video. So the video is what you're seeing right now. It's your computer screen with you talking over it. For instance, like this week, I made a bunch of rubrics. I collected a bunch of information from my students about how they're doing. I wrote dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of emails, and I made a bunch of screencast videos. So that's an example of what you can tell me in your video is you show me the work that you've done in your class with me as you're talking about it. The second thing you need to make sure in there is the first 20 seconds, you need to introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Todd Benrud, and the date is May 4th. All right, so that should be in the first 20 seconds of the video, so I know that this is the current video and who you are. And then you're going to go ahead and capture the work that you did in video form. And then you're going to turn it here on this Google form. So you're going to tell me what period you're in. You're going to give me the URL for your YouTube video, the URL for the rubric, right? And then you're going to give me this check-in. I'm doing great, I'm doing good, I'm doing okay, I'm doing bad. And if you want to tell me anything else, you put it there. So you're going to be doing this every week. They're going to be due at the end of every week, every Friday. It's 1 minute, and it's in addition to the assignment that you're working on in your classes. And if you have any questions, again, email me. Communication is the most important thing during distance learning. Take care and stay well, y'all.